This video is about future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense describes an action that began either in the past or present and will continue to happen up until a point in the future. For example, Elizabeth will not have been shopping for 6 hours. When do we use future perfect continuous tense? Action that will have started will have continued for some time and will still be in progress in the future either A. Before a specific moment or, for example, they will have been flying to London for 4 hours by this time tomorrow. B. Before another action takes place, for example, we will have been cleaning the house all day by the time she returns. Let's have a look on the examples of future perfect continuous tense. Number 1. I will not have been shopping on Wednesday. You can come to see me. Number 2. Will you have been making a cake in the kitchen? Number 3. She will not have been seeing her because she is angry. Number 4. When I finish the school, I will have been learning French for 10 years. Number 5. How long will you have been dating on April 12th? Number 6. By the end of this week, will I have been living with his for 5 months? Number 7. He will not have been reading a newspaper tomorrow. Number 8. They will have been teaching German for 5 years by the end of this year. Helping verbs of future perfect continuous tense are will have been or shall have been. The form of verbs that we are using in this tense is first form of verb with the addition of ing. Let's learn the formation of affirmative sentences. Subject plus will, shall plus have been plus ing form of verb plus object plus since or for phrases. For example, he will have been taking bath since morning. Negative sentences. Subject plus will or shall plus not plus have been plus verbs ing form plus object plus since or for. For example, he will not have been taking bath since morning. Interrogative sentences. Will or shall plus subject plus have been plus verbs ing form plus object plus since or for phrases plus question mark. Will he have been taking bath since morning? Let's learn the examples of positive sentences. At 4 o'clock, we will have been waiting you for 1 hour. She will have been sleeping at home for 2 hours when we arrived. He will have been playing the guitar for 10 years when he turned 20. They will have been teaching German for 5 years by the end of this year. I will have been traveling to Japan by this time next week. When I am at a school, my family will have been flying to New York. Negative sentences. They will not have been going for a picnic. We will not have been living there for 2 years by the end of this year. I will not have been staying in London next summer. She will not have been studying Japanese next year. The president will not have been talking tomorrow. I will not have been searching for a new issue on internet tomorrow afternoon. Interrogative or questioning sentences. Will the baby have been playing with toys for 1 hour? Will you have been speaking English for 2 years by the end of this year? Will you have been making a cake in the kitchen? Will they have been playing tennis since morning? Will you have been working for a long time? Will she have been teaching French for 10 years next year? Thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.